Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here model kit from a bootleg company, which is the Fat Cat 001, and this is your RX-78. I think this is the real grade that they maximized to 1/100 scale, so they upscaled this real grade version of RX-78 from Bandai, and I was curious buying this. So to be honest, I don't like buying RX-78 anymore since I am not that fan of design nowadays. But since this is a bootleg company which I really like to try, so I was hyped on buying this. And so thank you very much, Hobby Wang, for selling me this kit. I bought it from Shopee Philippines, and so let's check this kit out and let's see what this Fat Cat 001 has to offer the fans. Fangivira knows kits. The box is really simple. It's the same with the boxes that I already built from bootleg company, where there's only a code number on the front and the whole box is all brown colored. And there we got a very nice Fat Cat logo, so Fat Cat 001. And so if we're going to open the box, we can see instruction manual here. So the instruction manual is again the typical Chinese style of manual, which is white. And there we can open this kit or manual here and see all the parts list, and we can see there's a colored print out there for the decals, which is very nice. Okay, and if we open the manual, we can see how this thing will be assembled, and judging the appearance or the pattern of this kit, this is an easy kit to build. And there we can see some color pink arrows, which is I already seen with the other manuals. So typically a Chinese kind of model kit manual like that. Okay, there we can see how this thing is very easy to build. Yeah, it's not that complicated as I can judge. There we go. Let's go with the back part. We can see the placement of decals, which is very nice there. It's cool looking frames and picture there. And then we can see Fat Cat 001. So let's go with the parts here. We got this first pack white parts, and I can see that these parts are glossy. So this first pack white parts. Second pack here, we got this white parts for the head, the shield, and there we got the V-fin there, and we got gray parts for the inner frame. The second pack here, we got the third pack, another white parts and gray parts for the inner frame. The fourth pack are all red colored parts. There we can see the shield and other pieces here for the legs and torso. We got sorry for that. We got this fifth pack here. We got the clear colored, clear pink colored effect parts, and gray parts for the hands, the manipulator. But I will not use these manipulators here since I will use the dolling decal hands. And there we got gray parts here. The sixth pack here is for the guns, the shield, and other gimmicks. Okay. The seventh pack here, we got blue and yellow colored runners. And the eighth pack, we got gray parts for the guns and bazooka parts. And the ninth pack here, we got these gray parts for the inner frame. Then for the accessories, we got this foil stickers and water slide eagles, and we got this metal chain for the hammer, the ball hammer. And there we go. It's very interesting. It's my first time seeing this kind of chain for the model kit. There we got metal chain, but there, cool looking chain. All I can say with the plastic wrapping for the runners, it looks like the Bandai style of packaging things. So let's open this and let's sniff the plastic smell. Oh my god, the smell is really nice. It's fragrant. So let's go with the runner review before we build the kit. So let's start with these blue runners here. We got runner M, and these are all for the torso parts. And judging the plastic quality, the plastic feels is really nice. I remember it's like how I felt with the Solomon Faisali's model kit, and I bet this kit is really good. The plastic quality is really superb. I like it. And the yellow parts here, this is for the vents, and there with the Earth Federation EFSF crest like that there. And we got the gray parts for the bazooka, and this is very cool. As you can see, the plastic is hard. This is hard. It's not bootleggish feel. I really like it. And we got two of these. So we got two sets of these, runner C. Then we got runner B here for the inner frame parts. Another runner B here for the inner frame parts. Then we got runner H for this beam javelin, and there we got the head sculpt. The head, look at this. The head is really nice. It has so many panel line grooves there. So if you're a fan of applying panel line, this kit is perfect for you. And there we got gray parts for the inner frames, and it's very thick. The plastic is thick. This is runner A, by the way. And then we got here runner E for the inner frame parts again. This is light gray colored runner. We got here runner J, and this is much lighter gray. Then we got here runner K for the shield and other stuff here for the red stuff or accents. We got light gray runner here for the gun and other inner frame parts. This is runner F. And we got here runner D for this weapon parts, and we got this ball. This is for, I think this one for the ball weapons. So we got two of these. As I can see, we got two of this. Very cool. Okay. And there we got this runner G here for the bazooka parts, and another runner G. So we got two sets of runner G. So we got two sets of bazooka for this kit. And then we got this clear pink runners for the beam saber effect parts. Actually, the beam saber is really thick there. I can feel the thickness of the plastic, and this is cool. Yep, this is cool. Okay. And we got finally the hands. These are all manipulator, which I will not use in the future because I will use the Darling Decal hand. So I might keep this or throw this away. And we got the chain and these stickers. Again, we'll need to review that. So we got the foil stickers and the dry transfer decal. So thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the Fat Cat 001, and wait for my review of this kit. So the Skimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care, happy building. Good night.